Welcome back. A federal judge right here in Texas has blocked the state's controversial 6-week abortion ban.
The bill's design, which allows any private citizen to sue anyone who facilitates an abortion, has made it difficult for abortion rights advocates to legally challenge it. And our digital journalist Ferris Sabawi is live to explain a little bit more about this ruling. Good morning, Ferris.
Hey, good morning. Happy Friday to y'all.
Hey, happy Friday.
So what did the judge cite in his ruling blocking this law, Ferris?
Yeah, so the Justice Department took Texas to court in federal court in Austin. And one of the big issues the Justice Department argued to get this temporary injunction was that this law was essentially sidestepping the Roe v. Wade decision that decided that abortion was a constitutional right. They had argued that this private mechanism, this private enforcement type law that Texas passed is essentially just a way to try to skirt around the issues that would have taken it straight to court. The district judge in Austin, Judge Pittman, sided with the Justice Department, saying that this was essentially what the department argued, a sidestep of constitutionally allowed practices. So for now, the law is not allowed to be enforced, but we will see how that changes.
And Ferris, how are health providers reacting to that ruling?
Yeah, Stephanie. So some health providers have said that they are ready to resume abortion care and starting up as soon as possible. Others are holding off for a little bit. They're still a little bit wary. The way the law is set up, anybody who assists a woman in having an abortion would be liable, and they can be sued for up to 4 years after the procedure. So some health providers are still a little bit wary and, just hesitant to go there up until they get maybe a more permanent ruling that allows them to do this without the worry of lawsuits that, could lose them a lot of money. Even if the health providers prevail in court, they would still have to pay for their own legal fees. And so that's something that a lot of providers are just a little bit hesitant about at this point.
What are the next steps in the case, Ferris?
Yeah, Mark. So right now, the AG, Ken Paxton, said he did appeal immediately to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. And the reason that could be significant is that is one of the most conservative appeal courts in the country. So, people who support the law are very hopeful that this appeals court could reverse that decision, issue a stay, and basically allow this law to get back and allow it to be enforced. And of course, from there, it could be appealed to the Supreme Court if they decide to hear this issue. A lot of legal battles on the way. I know we've been talking a lot these past few weeks about legal battles that go back and forth, and this will be another one to keep your eye on as it moves through the court system.
All right, Ferris Sabawi, thank you for joining us today.
Have a good weekend, Ferris.
Thank you.